What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm diving into a comparison of two popular e-commerce platforms, StanStore and Shopify. So whether you're a small business owner or you're looking to start an online store, this video will help you decide which platform is right for you. So let's get right to it. First of all, we have StanStore right here. StanStore is designed for content creators and influencers who want to monetize their audience. It's perfect for selling digital products, courses, services, digital downloads, and stuff like that. So one of the big advantages of StanStore is its simplicity. It's pretty user-friendly and it doesn't require lots of technical knowledge to set up. So it's basically a beginner-friendly website with lots of easy tools that is beginner-friendly. You can integrate it with your social media profiles, making it easy to promote your products directly to your followers on social media. Now, creating and listing a product on StanStore is straightforward. Just log in if you already have an account or sign up for a free account. And you can quickly add products details, set prices, and publish your listing. Plus, it offers built-in tools for managing your sales and customer interactions. However, StanStore does have its limitations. Its primary main point is that it's primarily focused on digital products, so you cannot sell physical products on it. So if you're looking to sell physical goods or need advanced e-commerce features, you might find it lacking in this area. Now, the next store that we have, or the next e-commerce platform that we have, is Shopify. Probably one of the most, if not the most well-known e-commerce platform right here. And it's available worldwide. It's a versatile platform suitable for businesses of all sizes. So whether you are a beginner or you're an advanced user, you will find the tools that you need on Shopify. It offers robust features for selling both digital and physical products. So if you are doing or you are selling physical products, you will find that Shopify is the best option for you. With Shopify, you get access to a wide range of templates and customization tools, making it easy to create a professional-looking online store. It's also packed with features like inventory management, shipping integrations, and marketing tools, and you can also install lots of apps that are available on the app market. And also, setting up your Shopify store is pretty easy and comprehensive. Here, you can just sign up or log in to your account. You can manage inventory, set up variants, and configure detailed shipping options while adding your products. It also supports various payment gateways, making the transactions seamless for your customers. However, Shopify, the main con or the main drawback of Shopify is it can be overwhelming for beginners. It has a steeper learning curve and it has lots of tools that might overwhelm you if you are just beginning or if you're just creating or starting your online business. And the cost can add up with monthly fees and additional app charges, since lots of the professional apps have a subscription feature. So they are not free. Of course, not all of them, but the more advanced ones are not free. Now, here that we took a general look at both of them, let's break down the pros and cons of each platform. Now, for StanStore, it's easy to set up and use, beginner friendly. It's ideal for digital products, and its seamless social media integrations making it easier for influencers to sell their products on their social media. However, it's limited to digital products only. It has fewer customization options compared to Shopify, and it's less suited for scaling large businesses. Now, for Shopify, it's highly customizable with lots of themes and customization options. It supports both digital and physical products. Its extensive feature set and lots of apps to integrate. However, it's not the best option for beginners. It's steeper learning curve, making it more difficult for beginners to use it. The cost is higher with monthly fees and apps, and it can be overwhelming for all these features. However, it's not that hard. You can still set it up as a beginner. Now, here, since we did compare both of the platforms, now the big question, which one should you use? If you are a content creator looking to sell digital products, downloads, courses, and goods, and want something simple and integrated with your social media, then StanStore is a great choice for you. But if you are looking to scale your business, even if not now, in the future, and you need advanced e-commerce features or want to sell physical products, Shopify is the way to go for you.